In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, left this world, a silence fell over Medina that no bird dared break. And in that silence stood his daughter, the one whose tears watered the soil of Fadak, whose ribs bore the price of truth, whose wailing the skies of Medina witness, and whose heart carried the pain of betrayal from those who once stood behind her father in prayer. She didn't just die. Fatimah, peace be upon her, was psychologically tortured bit by bit and brutally martyred behind a door beneath the weight of injustice. Lashes, slaps, kicks, miscarriage, multiple burns from the fire at her door, being struck by the back of the sword, pushed away, left with multiple fractures, and later being accused of lying. This is what she endured at the hands of those who denied the rights of Imam Ali, peace be upon him. They came for power. She defended Imamate, and so the door was forced against her. Her voice was crushed beneath the ashes of the burned door of Imam Ali's, peace be upon him, and her house. It was not only Fatimah, peace be upon her, who was martyred. Before her, her unborn son Muhsin, peace be upon him, faced the cruelty of betrayal through the nail that pierced his noble and fragile body within his mother's womb. Muhsin, the youngest sibling of Imam Hassan, Imam Hussein, Zainab, and Kulthum, peace be upon them all, was the first martyr in defense of Imam Ali, peace be upon him, and the imamate of his noble father and Imam. Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, said, "And no day like our trial at Karbala, yet the day of Saqifa and the burning of the fire at the door of the commander of the faithful, and Al-Hassan, Al-Hussein, Fatimah, Zainab, Kulthum, and Fidda. And the killing of Muhsin by a kick is greater and more grievous and more bitter, because it is the origin of the day of punishment." Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, also said, "Fatimah alayhi salam was truthful and a martyr." Imam al-Baqir, peace be upon him, said, "She left this world angry at those who wronged her." Sayyida Fatimah, peace be upon her, asked to be buried at night, so that those who hurt her would not attend her funeral. And until today, brothers and sisters, Ummul A'imma's grave remains hidden, like her pain, like her story.